Good morning. I'm done packing. I haven't paid yet. I need to do payment. These rooms are no aircon. There's no breakfast, so it's really overpriced. I'll try to negotiate a bit cheaper, at least like 10 euro, because that makes no sense at all. It was so hot, and the sun came from there last night or evening, and the room is here, so the sun was burning into the room. Wow, it's yeah, I'll do the payment, and then it's 10 kilometers to Bulgaria, this direction, so we will have a border crossing today if the borders are closed. And then yeah, the Rila Monastery is still on. That's where I want to go, and then I don't know, I think it's just 2 hours or so to ride to there. It's chilly, it's 13 degrees. I haven't had this coldness for a long time. Yeah, but the 13, the numbers will flip today. It's 31 or more. Yeah, but let me do the payment, and I hope it's okay to pay less for this. So, hey, I want to pay the room, the payment, and my passport. Yeah. Thank you. Oops. So yeah, that went pretty good. Easier than expected. He typed in 50 in his card reader thing. I said no, 40. Huh? I was checking, yeah, and then yeah, 40, right? 40? 40?
Yeah.
No, this is 50, right? Forty. 40. Yeah.
40.
Yeah. There you can see that the rates they charge is random, and 50 is just a tiny bit less than the other hotel would have charged. I said no, it's not in my budget. Oh, okay. Then she pointed to this, and that should not be more than 30 or 40. So it's no breakfast, it's no aircon. It was so hot yesterday. Okay, thank you so much. Vielen Dank. So yeah, I actually don't really feel bad to say no, it's 40. So other hotels actually charge sometimes like 10 or 15 euro for the parking for the bike. So if I deduct this 40 by 10 for the parking for the bike, it's 30, so I feel much better now. So it's yeah, now 7 kilometers to Bulgaria, I believe. And then the chapter Greece is closed. And chapter Bulgaria, yeah, it's open. New page, blank page here. Almost 3 hours to Rila, the monastery of Rila. It's 8 a.m. now, it's super early. We got 11 degrees here. I'm freezing. I should turn on the heated grips here. I didn't expect that I need to do that. In July in Bulgaria, or it's 6 degrees here. Actually, we're not on altitude here. I don't know why it's that cold here. This is a resting place here near the road here, next to the road. I saw it. It's quite interesting. It's just a resting place, right? But that's the road. It's a regular road, and they have a barbecue here. What are people doing here? That's very interesting, very unique, yeah. But not too easy to reach here. There's water. Okay, I continue. Water is over there. I probably need a car to come here, because the road, I just rode like 10 minutes or so from the previous town to here, and there is the border, and the next town, it's a regular resting place with the barbecue. I want Germany to do the same. Have a barbecue here at every resting in the at the Autobahn. There it is, the border. Oh, and we're starting through a tunnel, okay. No one here, as expected. Oh, tunnel of hellenic Bulgarian friendship. Does anyone of my followers want to build a tunnel with me for the friendship? Okay. The friendship tunnel here. Phil, let's build a tunnel for the friendship. Okay, so welcome to Bulgaria. Should I put a sticker? Oh, there's more border crossing here. Republic of Bulgaria. Okay. Oh, whoops. Stop. Oh, it's green light. I don't think I have to stop somewhere here. Stopping here. Somewhere. Okay, we're good. Okay, go. Go. Okay, then let's go. Okay, so for the highway, I need to pay toll, the vignette, but I'm not taking highway. It's my first time to Bulgaria, just FYI, and my telco provider already know that I'm here. Today it's free of charge. Yeah, at 15 degrees and it feels so cold. I want my money back, I didn't pay for that fresh air here. Okay, it is July 10 or so. It's Bulgaria. Yesterday I had 36 degrees. Today, now it's 10 a.m. We started at 11 degrees. Now it's 16 degrees. It's not getting better. Oh, it is so cold. The sun, the radiation from the sun is a bit warming, but wow, the wind is so cold. I need my pullover now. I'm freezing. It's not fun. No one prepared me for this. Oh, this is so much better. At 16 degrees now. Don't get me wrong. Okay, 16 degrees. It's totally fine, but it's not when I am prepared for 30 plus degrees. Yeah, luckily I haven't done camping. I would have frozen to death or so, I don't know. So that was maybe not so bad to have taken the hotel. Yeah, a bit more than 1 hour to the destination. Not for today, it's just for we will be reaching there. I will be reaching there at 11, maybe noon. Then I'll watch this monastery, the Rila Monastery, and then decide where to head next. So I got the first Bulgarian petrol here. The price in euro it's 128 and in Greek it was 170, 75 or so. So this is significantly cheaper. And I like it better. So the situation here is this, that this is the monastery over there, and here's the parking. So if I want to park, I have to pay 5 euro. And there are two guys here somewhere, and I asked them, why is it so expensive? And both so aggressive, like really aggressive, and discussing with me. And then one of them had his photo already in hand. If you park over there, because there's another parking kind of, actually it's not allowed to park, but it's like for motorcycles, it's usually it's okay. Then if you park there, I will call the police. But in this aggressive tone, that is not nice at all. So there were other bikers already trying to park there, and he said, the biker said that he already called the police, and I went back a bit and the police really came. So actually it's not that interesting for me, so I won't enter that. That's a way too funny for me. Nah. No, I don't have a problem to pay for parking, but we are in Bulgaria, okay, 5 euro for parking, this is not reasonable. And then the tone, you know, it's just like how he said this in this very aggressive. So this doesn't get a good rating from me. I mean, I didn't see the inside, but this is the first impression that you get, right? When you want to do parking here, and then these dudes are, don't know how to behave with people. This is a no-go. So don't get my money here. So I decided not to go to Sofia. I heard that there's another town, Plovdiv, or so, I don't know, is better, more beautiful. So I'm heading there now. It's a 4 hours ride. I'm pretty sure I can't make it by today, or only late for today. I will see. So far, Bulgaria, I don't like, except for the petrol price per liter, 128. It was probably not even the cheapest petrol station. But other than this, it's usually kind of main roads. The people, I mean, it's not just one person, there were two persons, and they behave the same way. I hope I meet other people than this. If everyone is like this, then I'm leaving this country by tomorrow. This is not fun. This sucks. This experience, that cannot be Bulgaria. So anyway, 250 kilometer. I will just go calmly to. I needed a moment. I did a short video message for the Instagram episode 20. I needed a moment to calm down. Oh my god, that got on me. Yeah, but I'm okay. I eat a bit of fruits. So yeah, if there's something exciting happening, so far nothing other than nature just okay so far. We will see. We have 250 kilometers more to go. plenty of time for some things to happen.